Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Victor. What you gonna do this week for Christmas? I'm going to California to visit relatives. How about you? With my mother, we're going to spend time together. That's nice, Victor. I'm sure ready for this break, Henry. I still can't believe the train exploded. It's okay, Victor. Aren't you planning a trip to New York? Yes, on Christmas Eve, which is tonight. That sounds great. I hope Julian doesn't ruin anything. I haven't heard from him since the docks accident. Don't worry about that. It's Christmas, I suppose. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here to give all away these amazing toys to the kids, of course. How do you feel about STREAMLINE? Uh, I don't know what you're saying, sir. Union. Like, you own 50% of railroads, while STREAMLINE own half of it. Are you jealous? No. I am here for the kids. This is not about me. This is about the kids, of course. Now, who want toys? Me. Ugh. I can't. I need something to ruin them. Quick. I need something. How about a rumor? Of course. What else would it have been? What would the rumor be though? STREAMLINE isn't dead. No, it can't be. It's an honor to be in charge of this amazing company for 4 years. I am ready to make an evolution of this company and wish you a Merry Christmas. I can't believe we are giving this train to the families for Christmas. Of course, STREAMLINE is the best. Are we approaching to a cliff? No, that's Rudolph on the tracks. No, it's not. Let me blow the whistle so I can move out the way. Uh, Avalanche! No. Oh no. What did you do, Steve? Now he's stuck in snow. Victor, something wrong. The train. What's going on? The train. It came off the tracks. Oh no. We must go. How did the avalanche happen?